Welcome back to iReview. Today I have another gadget. It is a carbon monoxide meter. This is by Smart Sensor. So this detects any carbon monoxide in the air from any sources that are burning off like gases, such as candles, exhaust, natural gas burning in your furnace, natural gas fireplace, real fireplace. There's different gases that come off of when you're burning a substance. So here's the little gadget. Sensors on the top. Let's see here. Features: measurement range 0 to 1000 ppm. Resolution 1 ppm. Response time 60 seconds. So it takes 60 seconds or greater when you put the sensor on a gas substance until it'll start reading it. Accuracy, whatever that stands for, 10%, so it's probably pretty close. It has a buzzer and vibration alarm. Operating conditions: 0 Celsius to 50 Celsius, 32 Fahrenheit to 122 Fahrenheit. And then I don't know what that stands for, but 0 to 99% are H. Operating instructions: LCD display, it's right there. On and off switch, first button. Celsius to Fahrenheit switch, step button. Then you got the LCD backlight, that would be that button right there. Mode button, it's right there. And then you got the battery doors on the back. Other function, please refer to the operating manual for details. So this is the Smart Sensor Carbon Monoxide Meter AS8700A. Go ahead and look at the instruction manual here. Comes in 2 languages. Asian language, and then English. So it has all these instructions you can follow. Here's a little diagram I'll show you here. So if you pick up 0 to 1, normal background level, that's just like everyday life. You got 9, so that's the ASHRAE standard for living areas. So any higher is, that's like you shouldn't be living in that dosage. OSHA, enclosed space, 8 hours average level. So if you're enclosed in a tight air space for 8 hours, it'll be around 50 ppm, which stands for parts per million. And then the exposure limit is 100. 200, you'll feel a mild headache, fatigue, nausea, and dizziness. 800, dizziness, nausea, and convulsions, death within 2 to 3 hours. So they go through everything here. Typical sensor life, 3 hours. If you're wondering what batteries it takes, it is 3 AAAs. We got here, here's the appliance and the feel you'll give off. Gas furnaces, room heaters, central heating furnaces, room heaters, center heaters, water heaters, range ovens, stove fireplaces, and they tell you the type of gas it'll give off. Then it says typical problem on why you're having that gas leak. These stove fireplaces, that's just like not enough air. Defective blocked like chimneys, whatever, green or treated wood. Like the green wood gives off more gas. Treated wood gives off toxic gas. Cracked heater exchange, cracked firebox. So yeah, later in this video, I'm doing a demonstration on what the meter looks like when it's picking up high amounts of carbon monoxide. I have a little fire pit, little guy I made, and not much smoke comes out at first, and then I get the smoke going, and a lot of smoke comes out, and I'll tell you the reading of it, and that will be later on in the video, so stay tuned. Go clip. So you go ahead, press the top button once, loud beeping, and now it's configuring. So now it's counting down, and it's like dialing in its numbers to get a precise reading. Press the mode button, the power button again to skip it. Now it's currently scanning my air. As you see, it's nothing here, but we'll wait for another minute. There's my temperature. I still don't know everything this does, but I know the basic functions of it. Press the mode button, you get hold, so hold the number you get, the max number you get, minimum number you get, and then back to normal. You watch 19.4 Celsius, 67.1 Fahrenheit. Then you press this button again, goes back. LCD display, it's on, and it's off. Nice green color. You can hold the mode button down, and it gets to these instructions, but I'm not sure what these are. And that goes to next number, next number, next number. Power button goes back to normal. Yeah, there's probably other functions on here that I'll have to look into still, but this is the basic functions that you'll need to run this. Then you got the battery sign up there. That's what it's scanning, the CO. It's the carbon monoxide. Here's your sensor. So the gas will go in there and it'll pick it up. Well, there you have it. I will put the link in the description just in case you guys would like to buy this. Be sure to watch to the end so you know what this looks like when it actually reads. Go ahead and turn this off, save the battery, and save the sensor life. Subscribe, like, share, and comment. Any suggestions or ideas, please let me know. Have a good day. What I have here is a little can with some leaves in it to produce smoke. I've turned it on. Let's see what it reads. It's warning us to get some oxygen. So I just got this to maximum 1000. That is how high this can go to detecting poison just by this.